Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to show you how I'm just cleaning my television, which is Thomson TV 4K TV, and I ordered this Derek's Clean Your Smart Homes. Yeah, I'll show you this one here. On the Flipkart, I ordered Computrade Screen Cleaner Kit 100 ml for LED and LCD TVs and computer monitor, laptop and iPad. Even for the phone I can use here for the phone cleaning or the laptop cleaning or the TV cleaning. In this video I just want to show you this is the cloth provided. Okay, so I can spray something here on this cloth like this, and I can go onto the TV because there are some stains on the TV. Somewhat they happened. I am using this for the past 3 years, so just for the cleaning purpose I purchased this for 143 rupees, and let us check how it would be. And before that, what I want to do is with this torch light, with this LED light, I will be just showing you on the TV. Maybe on this light there will be, see here, if you can observe, without this light everything looks good. Okay, the TV is looking good, no sort of dust stains or something like that, but if you take some light here, see, there is something happened on the screen. There are few here and there, so I can be cleaning. But remember, don't go too harsh on the LED screen because this LED screen is too sensitive. So instead of cleaning, just to leave it as it is, that would be a better choice. But I am cleaning very mildly. Okay, don't take this video as a suggestion, and don't clean by yourself by applying some pressure or something like that, because this screen is very sensitive, very sensitive. Okay, yeah, this is the liquid applied cloth. This is shiny and jelly sort of liquid. Okay, before cleaning with this liquid, just try to wipe it with the soft cloth, and I'm not at all applying any pressure. Okay, very light, and this much liquid also not needed. By mistake I just applied a bit extra liquid. Okay, yeah, just to show you the results on my TV, I just recording this video, not a recommendation for you to clean or something like that. Okay, yeah, I'll be just going to the end here. Maybe laptop video I'll be just uploading it fully. If you have a cloth like this, see here, there is dust here. See, there is a lot of dust, lot of mud here. After this, maybe you can use a dry cloth, something soft like this, not a harsh one, very soft one, and you can just wipe with the dry cloth so that the finish would be pretty good. Okay, yeah, fine. And in the next video what I'll do is, if you can observe, there is a lot of dust here and here, so I'll be using a fresh cloth. Other than this, there is a lot of dust here, dust got attracted. I'll be cleaning this and I'll making a video out of this by using this gel, and let us check. And please do comment